Alright guys, welcome to day 6 of the Pakistan vlogs. Basically here I'm trying to cut wheat. The reason I'm trying to do this is because my dad was telling me about how this is like what our ancestors did like a long time ago, and I just thought, I'd give it a go. I was in fact very bad at it because I'm ripping up the soil, the earth from the ground, which you're not supposed to do. It's a lot harder than it looks, I can't lie. Right, we had to make a quick stop at the mechanics to get the car sorted out, and then we went to go see this dome-like structure. So this dome-like structure is called a stupa, and believe it or not, this dome is almost 2,000 years old and was built during the time of the Kushan Empire. So trying to explain who the Kushan are is really confusing because they were basically like Chinese people who spoke Greek and then switched to Iranian, and they were also Buddhist at one point, but then also were Hindu at another time. So to say that these people were indecisive is a bit of an understatement. At one point in history, before the Islamic conquest, this entire area, like Rawalpindi, Patwa, was Buddhist. So it's fair to say that before Islam, our ancestors were probably Buddhist. This structure here predates most of medieval European structures and is older than most Islamic architectures by over 1,000 years. So this stupa is basically like a pilgrimage site where people thousands of years ago would travel really long distances just to come and like kind of pray at. Before Islamic rule, like even before the Mughals, before the British, this whole area in general was one of the intellectual centers of the Buddhist world. Right, this is called a tandoor oven, right? So this oven's basically used for cooking bread at really high temperatures. So the way it works is the oven's heated up by fire, and it has like really thick clay walls. So the walls store heat, and then the bread is like slapped right onto the side of the wall. People also put like meats in it as well. The bread cooked in these ovens gets cooked really quickly, and it has like a smoky kind of flavor and like a soft interior. But this is kind of like the traditional way that bread and meat is cooked in Pakistan. So this is my auntie. She's just gonna slap the bread in now, and it just sticks to like the side of the walls, and then literally within the space of a minute the bread is ready. Right, so I gave some of these poor kids some money so they could buy some ice cream, and then they ended up calling their entire family and then harassing my entire family for money. Yeah, it's really strange experience. If you're in Pakistan, do not give kids money to buy ice cream, which I know sounds really heartless, but they basically harass you non-stop until you like give them more and more money. It's super strange. Anyways guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.